What is up? My name is Gene Darden. I am with the Darden Group at Real Broker, and I'm here to show you 3413 Crayrich Drive in Hoover, Alabama. This beauty is listed at $335. Man, have I got a treat for you. We completely remodeled this beauty. So we actually had this thing on the market before around the 300K mark and had a contract, and the financing fell through, and you said, you know what? We're gonna just redo this beauty and bring it back and present this thing like it should be presented, ready to go, nothing to do, and completely remodel. We did it just for you. That's right, just for you. So if you want something in a prime spot in Hoover where Highway 31 is just right there, just right that way, you head right up to Bluff Park, schools, everything you need, the preserve, all that, it's all right around here. So when I say in the heart of Hoover, that's exactly what I mean. Listen, this is a 360 VR video, which means you can pause, swipe around, get a full field of view, just like you are in this house with me. I know, that's cool, right? Yep, that's what we do for you. I'm Gene Darden with the Darden Group. If you want this house, private showing is my cell, 205-426-1113. Come on, let's not wait on this and listen to me. Yeah, let's look at what's important, this house. All right, so as you walk in, you've got a really nice big open floor plan. These hardwoods are original. We just refinished them for you. You're like, oh my gosh, they look brand new. Nope, original, which gives it that style that you want. And if you're a fan of natural light, well, guess what? We got natural light all through this thing. I didn't even need to turn the lights on. I did, because you don't want to be lazy. You want to be a good camera guy and do it anyway, but you don't need it. You got windows all around. So if you like light, we got you. Huge open living area. We'll call it a great room. And then you've got the kitchen right here, this nice big opening that you can go right through. And you want cabinet space, counter space, all the above, big kitchen, entertain, everybody hang out. You got it. Beautiful granite tops, gas cooktop, beautiful deep sink, everything you need. So, and when you come in, if you've got those kids or you got somebody coming in dirty from work, you got the perfect carport right here. This is a double lot, it's huge. So I'll walk back to the front door at the end of this video and show you how big the front yard is. So you got that, and man, if you need that laundry space, there you go. Huge laundry space, storage, anything you need. French doors going off the back. You've got a really nice sizable backyard. You've got a big $1 million house being built right behind you. And beautifully nice sized yard, fenced in over on that side. And let me show you. So as we're walking through, I'll take you right through the kitchen again because it's so beautiful. I want you to see it twice. They did such a nice job with it. I promised you the front yard, so here, I'm gonna show it to you. Look how big this lot is. You got plenty of room to park, carport there, a couple other cars in the driveway, huge lot, really pretty houses around you. No loud noises, it's still private even though it's in the heart of Hoover. And as we scroll back through here, check it out. So this is your full bath, love the tile, everything's redone, awesome. And you got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, so all the bedrooms are a really nice size. Hardwoods throughout, you don't have to worry about those allergies, that carpet, any of those things. This house is mint. Man, I love it. All right, here's another one. And again, windows everywhere. You got your pop-out windows, which those are one of my favorites. You got windows throughout the house again, so the natural light is beautiful. Don't have to waste all that power bill money turning on lights. It's all coming from the El Natural. Closet here for your master closet, and you got a master bath right here. We went ahead and redid that for you too. Really nicely done. Got its own private shower. So again, 3413 Crayrich Drive, Hoover, Alabama. One of my favorite listings just because of the style, the character. It's got the mint colors outside. Man, this one is just ready for a new buyer. Probably you. Again, Gene Darden, Darden Group, Real Broker, 205-426-1113. Have a blessed one. See you.